Hello guys and welcome to How Loaded YouTube channel. Before we start, do subscribe to my channel to get more videos on how much your favorite YouTuber earn, and click on the bell icon to get all notifications and never missing any new video. Now let's get started. So how do YouTubers get paid? They make money by placing ads on their video, and placing more ads equal more money. The second thing is CPM. It means the cost per thousand views. It's the amount of advertiser pays to have his ad in your video, and they spend on average $4 per thousand views. And it's calculated based on how many people watch the video and from where they are watching. Many factors affect the CPM, and it's include demography, content, gender, and time of watch. YouTube also will take 45% of your ad revenue from the advertising. And now let's go over Joma Tech channel analytics. Total subscriber 1.38 million. Total videos 88 videos. Total views 95 million views. Now for the monthly subscriber, 50,000 subscriber every month. Monthly views 5.5 million. And now for the income. The monthly income will be 5.5 million views multiplied by 0.004 equal $22,000 every month. And for the yearly income will be $22,000 multiplied by 12 equal $264,000. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.